Okay, I got this rim cylinder. There's no name on it, so don't know who it's made by. From RJ. The lock is very smooth. And I just noticed the plug moves. So I'm going to try to pick it anyway. Here's the bitting. I believe it's a 5-pin. I don't know if that plug's going to give me any problems on picking or not, but it's too much. Let me see if I've got a better one here. That's better. Alright. Got a little bit on one. Little turn on 2. Little more on 3. A little bit more on 3. I bumped it and it turned a little more. I think it's a little on 2. Three. There it is. Now that was a little tough one because that core kept moving on me. And so all the pins that I would touch looked like it was giving me feedback. But it was actually the core moving. Which I know I could have probably stopped and looked at it and fixed it, but I was going to at least try since I was already in the process of picking it. That would have been a lot easier had it been working right. I don't know why the core's got so much play in it, unless it's just the lock, but you can see it sticking out. It's got a clip on it. I may have to put a thicker clip on the back. Well, yeah, as you can see, I thought I had a clip. Yeah, I may have to put a thicker clip on it. Now, I have learned to shim locks that has that little groove in it. Because it's just a lot simpler to put this little shim in there than what may happen if you don't. Just a lot simpler. Maybe a smaller follower. And I know this video is taking way too long. It shouldn't be this long. Alright, here's the key pins. All key pins in. You can already see a little counter milling it looks like. All key pins in and working. One serrated top. Serrated. 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 And serrated. I don't really see any threading. I take that back. They are threaded, just not all the way deep. But it does look like there's threads in it. And my shim. Number one, beautiful serrated. Two. Drunken spool. upside down T-pin with wafer. Serrated. Spools and serrations. Another upside down T-pin with wafer, drunken spool. Had these been T-pins, this lock might have gave a run for the money. And had I not shimmed it and they were T-pins, that would have been a good mess. Especially with those grooves right there. Those T-pins get locked down in there and it's a pain in the keister. All chambers, if you can see, all chambers are threaded. Now, all are threaded. Okay, RJ, thanks for the lock. If you made this lock, I guess, let me know. I'll tag it for you. If not, you know who made it. Let me know. I'll put a tag on it. The pins are pretty nice looking pins, not to take credit for the lock. So just let me know on who made this, and I will throw a name tag keychain on it. That way when I send it off, they'll get credit for the lock. Alright everyone, as always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And I'm going to go squeeze the old stress tire a little more. And have a good one, guys. Thanks again for watching. Thanks.